Okay, I'm going to try and do this without coughing. I have a journal here that I've made, and it is for sale on my Facebook page, Pumpkin Cup Handmade, and I have failed to do a flip through until now. Please forgive me for that. I get sidetracked usually. Okay, so this one is made out of a cracker box, and I goofed and put 3 signatures when the spine clearly screamed 2 signatures. So it was chubby before I even started. But that being said, I think it turned out nice. And the cracker box was really sturdy. Excuse me. Oh, this cold is going to last forever. Okay, so I'm calling it Memories. Well, actually, I'm not. Memories is on the front cover. And I've had this fabric strips in my stash for a long time. And I thought it went well with the birds. Okay. It's a hitch post, an eyelet closure. So you just kind of push down and it pops off. Alright. Even I can do it one-handed, so you know it's good. Okay, I've done nothing to the inside, front, or back covers. I am actually calling it Birds and Bees because of the swap I was in recently where we did birds and bees, ephemera pieces, tags, journal cards, things like that. So I will try and be fast because my phone doesn't like it when I'm slow. So I won't say a whole lot, just that I got a lot of the bee things that I have in here are from my swap partner. Her name was Olga, and she gave me many. And this is Janine Morton. That's not pretty. And Party Maze, bee card, journal card, and then just some tea-dyed note paper. I've done script stamping throughout. There is also a print of a Monet in each signature. So it's like a Monet on one side and then it's just like writing on the other. So I've made it so that you can journal on the other side. Just random bits of lovely paper. This is vintage. This is... Oh, nope, I'm not talking because I'm going to mess it up. So I've got to kind of hurry. I'm sorry. This is from Vintage Paper Emporium. And then on the inside we have... Oh, come on. 2 journal cards that I received in a swap from Angelica. And then there's this journal card with a bird on it. I've tried to keep with the theme, birds and bees, throughout, but I've added a piece here and there. This is from my 1929 books about Great Britain. So there's one of those in each signature also. A pocket here with my garden glove stamp. And then in the center of the first signature we have an envelope. Inside the envelope is a little journaling booklet with a beautiful image on the front that I found in an old magazine. Well, not old, but a magazine, and I liked it. And then just random pages throughout. Lots of journaling space. Please, if I am not loud enough, will you please tell me, and I will get louder. I have a hard time hearing myself, so anybody that cannot hear me, please let me know, and I will elevate my voice. It's the other side of the 1929 book. Another tuck spot. Pretty bird stamp. And then we have birds from Marty Mays. And a feather from Front Porch. Porch Swing Designs. I don't know what she is. Something like that. Edge punched. Flips out. Tag from Pinterest. And a paper clip. And the other side is an altered paper clip, so you can tuck something under there also. The other side of the Monet, a pocket with lace trim, says Journey. And inside we have a tea-dyed glassine envelope from Tattered Dream, and it's got Mrs. Cogs, Flying Birds, isn't that cute? And a journal card with my birds on a wire. And then we have a Artie Mays booklet. And that's the first signature. Second signature starts out with Artie Mays again, and a tag that I've made. A pocket, lace trim, says hello. Here we have, again, Mrs. Cogs, and a trifold opens, a couple of tags, in a pocket. You can journal on all of that, and lots of journal space. And then Artie Mays postcard. Another altered paper clip. Another edge punch and zip out. Another Artie Mays cute little piece. There's a 1929 book. Excuse me, in the signature. We have an envelope. Inside this half, it has a tag that I've decoupaged off. Index card, tuck spot in the corner here. Tag that I made. I tried to keep everything flat, so there's very little lace and other bulky type trims in here, so that everything would fit into this pretty much already full journal. Okay, this is a piece of a picture that I liked, and I wanted it in here, but it was too wide, so I folded it, and then I added an envelope that I made to the flap on the back, and inside we have some extra tea-dyed paper, and then on this side I've left it open for a die-cut journal card that I've made. Just a half a doily tuck, the jar, botanical book page, and a tag that I've made with gel pen lines on the back. Here's the Monet in this one. So here's one that my swap partner made. She was so good at that. Flips open for lots of journaling, and 2 tags. In the back, I've made a journal card with a pretty little bird on it. Center of the second. Some of my teapot paper. The other half of the Monet. Sorry, kind of glares on there. Here we have a paper clip that was in a tea-dyed and embossed envelope. And it's empty, and you can fill it. Be awesome. There's that half of the picture that I wanted in here, but it wouldn't quite fit. Not beautiful. Other half of the index card, so there's another tuck spot. Tag that my swap partner made, Olga. Journal card I made, and a tag I made. Other half of the envelope. So we have another tag with another napkin decoupage. 1929 book. Lots of journaling space. Pocket. We have another glassine envelope. On the inside, there is, sorry, my voice is so deep from this cold. There's a journal card that I've made. And Mrs. Cogs, another pretty bird. And an Artie Mays bees. Aren't they pretty? I love that flower. It's the second signature. Here's the third. Innkeeper, pocket. Another index card with my birds on a wire, and another Artie Mays Gorgeousness. Another pocket. We have Artie Mays. Sorry. No, I'm not losing my voice. No, not yet. Another journal card. And another, a spool tag. And then we have a paper clip holding in another tea-dyed, embossed, and then I've rubbed some Timol's Distress ink over it for you to fill. Here is an altered paper clip with washi tape and a bird punch. So it's open, and we have Artie Mays journaling booklet. Here's the Monet in this one. It's a scrap of note paper, an envelope, which has a journal card, the pretty bird from Mrs. Cubs. I've taken a die cut and I've put it on both sides of the index card. So you get this tag from Olga. Comes out like that. Pretty big dingle, and then there's 2 pages of paper on the side. She did a very good job. And then I've done this one with an Artie Mays flower and a Tracy Fox bird. And then this little ticket tucks right in the pocket. And then it tucks right back under the die cut. Another pocket with another tag that I've made. 1929 book page. A Tsunami Rose tuck spot for another journal card. Here you go. In the center of the third signature is a pocket. You can still journal on all that. Then a label that you can write on, address, date, whatever you like. We have this cutie pie with some fabric trim, and it's a little journaling spot. And a Hermelinda tag. I like to make these journals as easy as possible for you to journal in. I hope that I've succeeded in this one, even though it's kind of bulky. Tsunami Rose, and then just a piece of note paper. The other half of the 1929. Another die cut. And she has 2 tags here with a tag that she's glossy accented. And a tag that I've made on the other side with Tracy Fox and a heart punch. Other half of the envelope, we have this altered Artie Mays journal card. And here's another Artie Mays birds. Isn't that beautiful? I made it into kind of a little notepad with just a couple of pieces of paper and a journal on all of that. Other half of the Monet. Half doily tuck with a die cut, love, left it open, Tracy Fox. Tim Holtz, a label that you can label this. There's 2 tuck spots. There's one here, and a couple of tags right here. And then it tucks right under there. Another pocket. Last pocket. Another beautiful tag from Olga. another trifold, and a couple more tacks. And another spool tack. And that is Birds and Bees, or Memories, whichever one you want to call it. Anyway, that's it. And thank you for liking, and I hope that you have a great day. Remember, this one is for sale on my Facebook page. Thank you. Bye-bye.